Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change Favicon here in BigCommerce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in BigCommerce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing your BigCommerce Favicon can be a small but impactful way to improve branding, user experience, and professionalism for your store. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard. And from here, I want you to click on the storefront. There's going to be an arrow. Click on it, and there should be an option that says logo. Right? Now, here, all I have to do is click on the logo section. All right, so we have a separate video on how to create your logo here in BigCommerce that you might want to check in our channel. But basically, at the bottom part, there's going to be a favicon. You see, a favicon is a small image that represents your brand in browser tabs, search history, and more. All right, so this is going to be the BigCommerce. You would see that in the browser tab. So if I exit the full screen, you see, this is going to be the favicon, the BigCommerce, the logo. If you want to change that to your own kind of own brand using the favicon, you can simply click on the replace image if you have created your favicon already. If you don't, there are two ways for you to be able to do it. Number one is going to be using the favicon.io and app icon generator. It's a native integration here from BigCommerce that you can choose a file or create a favicon from scratch. All right, remember, these are gonna be the file formats that they accept for you to change your favicon, and of course the measurement. If you exceed this, it's not gonna be able to upload. So if you click on the create favicon, what will happen is you would be forwarded here. Let's just click on this one. Stop seeing that. All right, so you didn't select an image to upload. We will upload the file later and then create a favicon. But for now, I'm going to use another platform called... Now, I'm going to create a favicon from scratch here in Canva by clicking in this little small button. It would forward me to the empty canvas. All right? Just wait for it to load. Takes a little while. As soon as it's here, I'm going to rename this one. Now, you can select all the logos, images that you wanted, but please take note that whenever you see there's a watermark like this one, it means you cannot use this unless you are subscribed to the Canva Pro. Obviously, I'm using the free trial, so you might want to skip on that for now. And let's search for anything that doesn't have the watermark, so we can use it freely here in Canva. For example, we're going to be using something like, I don't know, maybe this one right here. Okay, so let's choose any of these. I'm going to be choosing something like maybe a favicon. Let's check another one. I'm not satisfied with the design. Maybe. All right, so this looks promising. How about we choose this as the favicon? Click on it. And of course, you have the option to customize all of these. You see, you can move the elements freely. All right. You can click on edit. There's going to be an option here, the fresco, belvedere, and a lot more options. All right. Mist, latte, capri, and a lot more. So there's a lot that you can basically use here. All right. So intensity, cool. Okay, for example, you're happy with this kind of favicon already. I want you to click on the share button. You have multiple options here. You can download as a PNG or JPEG or whatever. You can also share this. For example, you're working with a collaborator or with your client to change the favicon within your BigCommerce store. You might want to click on the copy link and send it to your boss or to your client. Obviously, you can forward it as an attachment or via the WhatsApp, iMessage, or Facebook Messenger. If you want to, of course, save a copy of it, you might want to click on the Google Drive to save it, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, and Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, I'm going to click on the download as JPEG for now. Remember the Favicon and app icon generator, the native integration from BigCommerce. Now, all I have to do is choose the file. And from here, click the Create Favicon. Now, here, as you can see, once it's loaded, you can download the generated favicon and extract the contents to the root directory of your site. All right, click on it. Now, after that, all I have to do is click the replace image. All right, and upload the favicon icon that you have generated. I'm gonna do that right now, and then, as you can see, the favicon has changed from what I have created from Canva going to the favicon icon. Updating your favicon can enhance your store's brand visibility, creating a more professional look and improve the overall customer experience here in BigCommerce, especially if your business undergoes rebranding. Updating your favicon to match the new logo and color scheme is very important. You may also use a seasonal or holiday theme favicon to engage users with fresh visuals and show that your store is actively maintained. Now, in some cases, search engines display favicons next to the website titles, which can make your listing stand out in search results. Similarly, some social media platforms use favicons when a link is shared, making a custom icon beneficial for brand recognition. As you can see, with a custom favicon, you can create a cohesive brand experience that spans across web browsers, mobile devices, and any other platform where your site may be saved or shared. And ultimately, a unique favicon makes it easier to spot your site in their bookmarks, browser history, and even on home mobile screens. Now, similarly, there are other platforms that you can use to generate a favicon. All right. Just choose the platform that can match your logo and branding so that it can help reinforce your brand identity across multiple platforms. The small visual cue allows customers to recognize your brand more easily in browser tabs and bookmarks. As you can see, I also have the favicon.io, the only favicon generator you need for your next project. Quickly generate your favicon from text, image, or choose from hundreds of emojis. All right, so these are going to be some of the options. So if you wanted to know more, what is a favicon and why do you need one and how you can generate one, just click on this option right here. All right, click on close. Basically, I have used this in the past. Because using a default or generic favicon can make your store look unfinished or unbranded, and a custom favicon signals to customers that your store is professional and trustworthy. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.